Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, I am title pending. I can just say that now, right? Yeah. And video is going to be talking about like Godot jams. We're ending this jam with this Godot 3.1 stable release party. And yesterday I've been keeping track of this. The theme for the Godot Wild Jam number 9 has been announced. It is Underworld, if I can find it. I know it's Underworld. It's here somewhere. There it is. That's a theme that I was hoping for because I can make a game for that. Although I like the other ideas for themes, which are broken worlds. And this also means I'm encouraging anyone from this game jam, which I'll be posting this in the community that created this, to hopefully join the Godot Wild Jam. And more so, I would hope to encourage just anyone to make a game jam if that's something that they're passionate about. I think the Godot 3.0 stable release party was a good idea, but like many game jams, I didn't make it. Also, I want a quick note to Jeremy that next video I will be doing will be a Rokuko the vlog, which Rokuko, if you don't know what it is, it's an amazing plugin. Jebediah, the programmer, the lead, the man himself, is making a story mechanics plugin. That is something worth checking out. I need to update because he's updated the documents. Having said all that wonderful news, I will basically be playing 3 games during this video, and I hope you enjoy them. I hope we find something that we like or don't like. I don't know if I'm gonna like edit this video or not. It's gonna be interesting. All right, let's get this party started. Let's release jam it. All right, let's start with Okazawa. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to make sure the window, so I don't overkill myself because I do multiple windows, and I am half asleep, which is not good. I'm prone to make mistakes. Is open so I can relieve. I can put my initial comments down, and I think I'll just share the video in the Discord. I think that might be the best way to do this, or at least give my rating. All right, okay, here, let's do this. Okay. All right. Okay. That's already a red flag. All right, hold on. That's Duckwin. Duckwin. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, interestingly enough, we need to move these things. I thought I extracted it all. All right, I'm just going to grab that. There's a text file. It can't be that bad, right? What happens if I just do that? Come on, Windows 10. Show me how amazing you are. Will that create errors? It will not. I'm also not doing sound because of certain license agreements, so I do apologize. I'm listening to sound. Sounds pretty good though. Huh. I like the music though. I like the music. All right. Oh, I'm supposed to read. Although I'm not a fan of these, I'm gonna do this clueless. Like, I'm not going to read the controls. I'm gonna see if I can figure it out. That's just my style. Dang it! It's right here. The 4 rooms: red, green, yellow, and blue. Each room has a chest that contains precious crystals. Lately, pesky goblins have popping up. Crystals. My goal is to fend them off for 5 minutes. If any chest becomes empty, I will die. Okay, well. Oh, it's 3D. It's pretty smooth. Hey, how do I? So I can only look forward. I can't look around. Huh. Well, I'm gonna die. I like that I can't turn around. Huh. There's got to be a way to turn around. Let's go back. Huh. How interesting. There's no way to turn around. Okay. Can I pause? There's no pause. Escape? There's no escape. So there's no way to pause the game. This is bad. I'm going to press X right now. I'll look to see if there's any instructions. It is a dungeon crawl. There's no instructions here, which is fine. F brings you close to the object. Now it's too far. See how Blender does it. Okay, well, let's try it one more time. Launch it. All right, click the button. Let's give it some time. I'm sorry about that cough, guys. Like, I've got like really bad allergies. Not cool. Is it? There it is. Okay, start. Great. So interesting. Like I haven't played. It's weird because like I'm one to talk. I'm a person who's making games where you can't. Oh, F. One. F. Huh. Cool. Wait, you're on my side, right? I hope you're on my side. F? No? Okay, well, I'm looking for red. Pressing back. I thought F was the thing you press. Spacebar? Wow, this is cool. I like that movement. I like the simplification of the movement. But I am a person who would rather churn. Oh, there's a churn. It's E. Oh, there we go. That makes a lot more sense. F? Press an F. Ah. Good. These guys are on my side then. They're guarding my treasures. No, they're not my friends. I totally thought these guys were my friends. Come on. Wait, do I press F or something? Is this auto? No, I gotta mouse over him. I think I gotta... Oh, wait, let me not press anything. No, I gotta mouse him. Ooh, I like that guy. He was cool. Now he's dead. Okay, so apparently I'm supposed to press F to fight those guys. They're not my friends. I thought they'd be my friends. Why aren't they my friends? I found like how to churn. Oh, so I'm supposed to fight you? You son of a... See, now I'm annoyed. I thought that giddy laughter was like, yeah, we're cool, we're friends. Oh, just kill me. It's the allergies talking. I am trying this though. I don't have to kill goblins. I don't want to kill these guys. Why are they such jerks, man? I just wanted to, like, you know, hang out with these guys. Uh-oh. Are you just laughing at me? Come on. So I could have stopped him the first time I saw him, but I didn't know they were friendlies or not. I just wait here. Can I just wait for this guy? He's not going to keep eating that, is he? Come on. Oh! There you go. Yeah. Oh. I gotta go when it's green? Here, take that. I'm really sorry about that. Son of a gun's still alive. I don't know how much health, and there's no potions. Okay, I'm good. I'm gonna call it X gun. I'll give it to ya. Fun, yes. Theme, yeah. Audio. Oh, it was actually pretty good. Gameplay's pretty... I'm a 3. I'm a 3 to be honest. Visuals are 4. Alright, there it is. I said it. I said my piece. Alright, I'm not gonna give my reasons. I'm gonna put a video later. That's what's most important, is submitting the rating. Oh my gosh. Rated. Okay, let's see. Where's the next one? Oh gosh, I feel so sick. Oh. I ironically have to work in about 3 hours. Yeah, literally 3 hours. I should be sleeping right now. Been up all night catching up on paperwork. Oh my god, I'm so gonna... Oh wait, hold on. Release party jam this stuff, man. Nuka man. You looking like a nuka man. Let's nuke this screw ball. Alright, okay, let's nuke him. Nuke him like Nuka-Cola. Nuke him till it hurt. Wait. No, that's not Nuka man. No, no. What happens if I... Ah! It's a curse. A cursed game. Sorry, I'm gonna cough. I do apologize that I am sick. Nothing manlier than drinking water. I could... Oh, it's see-through. Nothing beats that. Start campaign. Start skirmish. Start campaign. Oh, wait, what am I? Oh, how cool is that? Is this like a world map, or is this the actual game? Oh, maybe I'm not supposed to hit that. Okay, come on, let's go fight or something. Do we fight? No? I guess we're friends. I just assume everything's friendly if it's not trying to kill me. This would be great for the black hole game. Just replace that with a black hole for the last jam. Okay. Alright. I just want to... Do I fire? Uh-oh. Why did I do that? Oh, I'm a jerk. Okay, hold on. Let's see. I'm going to try to blow this guy up. I'm going to be the hostile. Can I... They're not doing anything to me. Maybe we are buddies. Oh. Fire. Trying to look for a gun. Map fit. Oh, okay. Continue. Nah, quit. Let's see. Start skirmish. I don't know how to fire my mouse. Does nothing. Why am I doing the mouse? Huh. I mean, it's like I'm trying to find what the fire button is. Can't figure out the fire. Oh, I shot something. A little late though. Like I don't. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Other controls on this? No, nothing. Space survival. Let's see if the controls are here. God, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Well, there you go. That's. It's a shooter without much shooting. I don't know what to press. Hold on, let's see. Oh, he just shot me, son of a gun. Do I switch weapons? It's me pressing buttons. Oh my gosh, I'm sick. That's cool. Okay, that's all. Oh, it must have been spacebar. Nope, don't know. All right. Okay, not to cut it short. I like the graphics. I just don't know how to play it. Oh man. Okay, let's do this. Fun is a 3 because, well, I'm gonna put 2 because I don't know what I'm doing. Theme, space, audio is a 3. It's not as good as the other one, but I like what I hear. Gameplay is, I guess, yeah, I want to give it. I'm gonna. The gameplay's there. It just I can't get it to work, so that's my bad. Visually, I think it's beautiful. Save rating. 1 more to go. Maybe I can get some sleep. Save that rating. All right, last one. No! Son of a gun. Where's the last one? All right, Dawn of the Duck. I expect great things from this. Expect great things. Come on, Dawn of the Duck. All right. Dawn of the Duck this. You're gonna duck win. Hoo-hoo. Duck win. Bum, ba-da-ma-bum. Every day is a new adventure. Duck win. Hoo-hoo. No one probably gets that reference. Like the Sonic movie. There's gonna be a lot of Jim Carrey in that. We won't know. We will like the noise. A lot of quacking. Oh my gosh. I'm impressed. Easily impressed. Settings. What are my settings? Newly hatched. Heck yeah. Start. Wah, wah, wah. Oh my gosh. Die, duck. You die, you duck. Yeah, that's right. Can I ram my boat in there? Oh my gosh, there's another one. I love that sound. Very punchy. Oh, is that one coming? Oh no, it's got fireballs. Can I move? I cannot move. I don't know how to... Oh man. Oh, what the duck? Oh. I can see coming up with this game in my own bathtub. I'm dead. There's too many ducks. What the duck? There's gotta be a way to move around. Hold on. Water survive. It's really cool, but I don't know how to move it. I got the moves like dagger. Dagger, I don't know. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm feeling sick, guys. I'm sorry. I'm feeling really sick. I really need to lay down. All right. Aha. To drive the boat. So arrow keys should be working. Not working. Try it again. Oh. Wait, is it? Yeah, I'm pressing those. Oh, I have to hold it down. Oh, there's an auto fire? There's a cooldown on the gun. Oh my god. Is there ram damage? Can I do headshots? Oh, there are headshots, I think. Oh god. Oh god. Find the ones that are firing. Huh, no damage on that one. There you go. Oh my gosh, this is intense. I feel like it's like toy people trying to live. Or maybe it's like a Thomas the Train thing, the boat is sentient. Sorry, buddy. I like it. I like it a lot. What the duck? Sorry, Dawn of the Duck. 5 stars. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Well, there was no music that I could hear, but the other stuff was great. I got to keep it rounded. Submitted, and we're done. Well, again, thanks all if you've stayed, watched this. Again, my next video, I promise, is going to be on Rokuko. I am very excited about the Godot Wild Jam. It is started within this yesterday. The theme is Underworld. I'm very into Underworld. That is a theme that I kind of wanted out of all the other themes. And I hope to see you on the Discord for the Godot Wild Jam, if not on the internet. And I hope people in the release party jam make a consideration to potentially join the Godot Wild Jam number 9. If not, host their own stable release party jam 2 with Godot 3.2, of course. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Again, I'm Title Pending. I hope and wish you well in all your creative projects.